France's top 5 best wine regions. Whether you're a seasoned connoisseur or simply looking to indulge in a glass or two, these regions are not to be missed. Number 5. Champagne, the birthplace of sparkling wines and the most well-known wine region in France. Here, grapes are grown in the chalky soil to produce the famous Champagne wine. Number 4. Bordeaux, located in southwestern France, is home to the famous red wine blends made from Cabernet Sauvignon and Merlot grapes. Number 3. Burgundy, located in eastern France, is known for its Pinot Noir wines, which are rich in flavor and aroma. Number 2. Rhône Valley, located in southern France, is famous for its Syrah and Grenache wines, producing full-bodied and rich-flavored red wines. And finally, at number 1, Alsace, located in northeastern France, produces a diverse range of white wines, including Riesling and Gewürztraminer. And there you have it. From the rolling hills of Bordeaux to the scenic vineyards of Burgundy, France is truly a wine lover's paradise. Until next time, cheers.